In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use payroll integrations in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through setting up payroll, adding employees, running payroll, paying payroll taxes, and pulling the key reports you'll need. I'll highlight what to click, what to watch for, and a few tips to keep everything accurate and on time. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account and opening payroll from the left menu. If you haven't set it up yet, click Get Started. You'll be asked for your business details, including your employer identification number, address, and tax information. Accuracy here is crucial because these details drive your tax filings and withholdings. Next, begin adding your employees. Enter each person's full name, address, pay type, and rate, plus their tax information from their W-4. If you plan to pay by direct deposit, turn that on now and have employees' bank routing and account numbers ready. Direct deposit saves time, reduces errors, and speeds up payday. You can fine-tune employee records anytime by going to Payroll, then Employees. Click Add an Employee to create a new profile. Fill in the pay rate and whether they're hourly or salary. Set the pay schedule such as weekly or bi-weekly and complete their tax withholding details. If you're using direct deposit, add bank details here as well. When everything looks right, click Save. A quick review against your offer letters or HR system helps prevent mismatches on the first run. When it's time to pay your team, go to Payroll, then Run Payroll. Choose the correct pay schedule, enter hours for hourly employees, and review the preview carefully. QuickBooks automatically calculates federal and state taxes, Social Security, Medicare, and any other deductions you've set up, like benefits or wage garnishments. Confirm net pay amounts, verify pay dates, and then click Submit Payroll. Building in a brief approval review before submission can catch typos and overtime issues. Next, handle payroll taxes by going to Taxes, then Payroll Tax. Review what's due and when. If your subscription includes automatic payments and filings, you can click Pay and let QuickBooks handle the rest. Always confirm your tax payment dates, align with your filing frequency, so you avoid penalties and interest. Finally, generate the reports that keep you in control. Go to Reports and search for Payroll Summary to see totals by employee and pay period, payroll details for line-by-line checks, and tax liability to understand what you owe and what's been paid. Download or print as needed for audits, lenders, or your accountant. These payroll integrations flow through your books, keeping expenses and liabilities aligned with your general ledger automatically. That's it. Follow these steps each